When someone's thinking about trying HelloFresh, the first thing they want to know isn't about the recipes or how eco-friendly the packaging is. It's the price. Because sure, the meals might look great in the photos, but none of that matters if the box that lands on your doorstep ends up costing more than your weekly groceries. So how much does HelloFresh actually cost? Well, the short answer is watch. The longer, the video. So watch the video. So yeah, let's stick around and dig in a little more, but I want to let you know that there is a promo code that you guys can take advantage of in the description below, so keep that in mind as we go throughout. That said, HelloFresh pricing isn't one size fits all. It varies depending on how many people you're feeding, how many meals you want per week, and whether you're a new customer with a discount applied. In general, the more servings you order, the lower your price per meal. That sounds simple enough, but when you start customizing your plan, things can get a little less straightforward. For example, if you choose to get 2 meals a week for 2 people, that comes out to 4 total servings. According to the HelloFresh site as of recording, that specific plan is priced at $11.49 per serving. Multiply that by 4 servings and your regular box total sits at $45.96 before shipping. However, if you're a new customer, they slash the price down to $21.96, giving you nearly $35 off your first box. And in this case, shipping seems to be included. Now, bump the plan up a bit. Let's say you choose 2 meals per week for 3 people. That gives you 6 servings instead of 4. With this slightly larger plan, the per serving price drops to $9.99. That brings the total to $59.94 before shipping. And again, as a first-time customer, you'll see that get knocked down to $30.55 thanks to a $40.38 discount. These deals are clearly set up to hook new customers, and to be fair, the discounts are actually solid. But those prices are for the first box. After that, you'll go back to regular rates, and HelloFresh usually adds a $10.99 shipping fee on top of every box. So if you're getting the 3-person plan with 2 meals per week, that's $59.94 plus $10.99, making your total about $70.93 per week. The more servings you order, basically, the better the value per meal becomes. That's the trade-off. You either go small and pay more per plate, or go bigger and get a better deal per serving. It's also worth noting that HelloFresh offers what they call premium picks. These are meals that feature more expensive ingredients. Think steak, shrimp, or upscale pasta dishes, and they usually cost extra. That could be anywhere from $2.99 to $9.99 more per serving, depending on what you choose, of course. It's optional, but they make those premium dishes look really tempting when you're hungry and choosing your meals for the week. Now let's talk about what you're really getting for your money. While HelloFresh isn't exactly the cheapest way to eat, it's not necessarily expensive either, especially when you compare it to how most people eat during a typical week. If you're constantly grabbing food on the go, ordering delivery, or making last-minute grocery runs for just a couple of meals at a time, HelloFresh might actually save you some money, or at least save you from food waste and the stress of meal planning. The value in HelloFresh really comes from convenience and predictability. You're not scrambling to figure out what to cook. You don't have to make 3 trips to the store just because you forgot parsley. You open the box, follow the steps, and end up with a solid meal that probably tastes better than what you'd slap together at the end of a long day. Of course, whether it's worth it depends on your lifestyle. If you love grocery shopping and already meal prep like a pro, HelloFresh might feel a bit unnecessary. But if you're someone who gets stuck in food ruts, forgets what's in the fridge, or ends up eating cereal for dinner twice a week, this could be the thing that adds structure and variety to your routine. So how much does HelloFresh really cost? Well, if you're just getting started with the smallest plan, expect to pay around $56.95 per week after your promo ends. If you go with something more middle of the road, like 2 weeks for 3 people, you're looking at just over $70 per week with shipping. Larger plans like 4 meals per week for 4 people will run you more, closer to $160 or $170 per week, but again, that comes out to less per serving. The great news is that you don't have to commit right away. That first heavily discounted box is a low-risk way to see if it fits your lifestyle, and if you're anything like me, you'll probably spend way too long choosing meals just because everything looks good in the photos. And that just about wraps up today's video, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking and subscribing to the channel, and don't forget about that promo code in the description below. At any rate, thank you all so much for watching as always, and until next time, make sure to take care.